Hey everyone, this is Jem from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 18th of March, Friday. We are closing the week with this video. Alright, on classic week closure video, we'll just discuss dollar index, gold and US oil, how they are trading on the last trading hours and what we can expect for the next week. Alright, let's start with dollar index. As you can see here, with the expectation of Fed rate hike, it has risen so high, but the expectation just met with 0.25. There was one thing like moving it higher and higher. It was 0.50% rate hike possibility. It was really slightly so little, but still, you just thought that possible, but it didn't happen. Then we have seen an easing on that one, but the risks are growing each day between Russia and Ukraine. That's why we see these dollar index and dollar bonds as a safe haven, and it's keeping the price high. We don't see 97 level testing. So if the war scenario just goes worse in the weekend, we can see on Sunday opening higher level of dollar index. We can see a fluctuation on these level, testing those level. But if we just hear something moral, something good, better things from this conflict, we can see easing, because people will just prefer some other risk assets and then they will just leave their positions on that one. Let's look at our gold chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Alright, our second chart is gold. As you can see here, gold is just making a new channel for itself. This channel is between 1900 and 1940. This channel will just go back and forth for some time. It's just like obvious on that one. They are not letting it go higher, because every attempt is just like blocked by some positive news, some other like a seller, some short sequence, the other things is happening. But then we just see it is also not letting go down, go below 1900. So for some time, as long as we see this escalation between Russia and Ukraine, the trading channel will be like this. But if we just hear more if we just hear some more casualties from each side, or some other crazier attempt from Russia, then we will definitely see a higher level of gold. It's also possible. Let's look at oil prices. Alright, our last chart is oil. As you can see here, oil is not stopping. It just tested $95 level for a short time, for a few days, but then this point has been some deep point for that one. And it's the scary scenario. If $95, $96 level just becomes too deep, and each time like it reaches from here and then just goes higher levels above $100, then global inflation on food, on transportation, and on other scenarios, on heating, everything will be more and more expensive, and then that will just end up with crisis. Iraq Prime Minister, Energy Minister, just told yesterday on TV channel, these high prices are good for some reason, but at the same time not good, because people will lose their affordability, people lose their purchase power, and at the end there will be demand crash. They will just spend their money on other things, and then they will just spend less on transporting other things. Then we will just suffer for long years. So I think we have to stabilize the market. He said something like this. So this is important. OPEC's view on high oil prices is critical. If they just think on short term, these prices will go on. But if they just like think that, all right, just like make some more addings and keep the prices around like a 75 and 80% for years, then it will be more accurate decision, and they may think both scenario, but the second one is more feasible for them as well, because a lot of countries are making huge money on $80 oil prices. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news on Monday morning, and have a nice and safe weekend. Bye.